Hey, what's up guys? Here's how you use Xcode Cloud, GitHub, Store Connect to be able to properly submit updates for your app. So step one, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a new pull request for whatever branch that you've currently had your new features on. For me, this is going to be new post hog. So I'm just going to create this pull request and I'm just going to merge it. So after we merge into main, what we're going to be able to see is if we go to the workflow that is running, we see it's running in Xcode Cloud, and we go check to see that it's currently running in Apple's cloud. So what that means is the build is being built in the cloud, and it'll eventually give us the application package that we need to actually add to the update for the submission. All right, so now we can see that the build has finished processing in Xcode Cloud, and so what we're going to do is we're actually going to start submitting the update. To create and submit a new update, we first need to go to the distribution tab, and we are going to create a new version of the app. In this case, we're going to make version 1.1.3. So we go ahead and we type that in the box and we click submit. Now we have a few options here on this page. So we could update the previews and screenshots, which we're not going to do this time around, but you have free will to adjust those whenever you like. So you can also add promotional text. Again, we didn't add anything that needs promotional text in this update, so we are going to scratch that. What we are going to focus on is what's new in this update. So what's new in this version is going to allow us to tell the users what we're actually updating. So in this case, we are just making some simple updates for surveys, but we're going to say bug fixes and improvements. So what we want to do is we want to scroll down to the build section, and we're going to add the build that we just created in Xcode Cloud to this version. And once we've done that, this update is essentially good to go. All we have to do from here to actually submit it is we are going to click save, and then we have to click add for review. So once you click add for review, it'll check that you have all the stuff required to submit an update. If you don't, it'll tell you what you need to fix. In this case, we passed, and so all we're going to do is we're going to click submit to app review. And so what this is going to do is this will change our app to ready for review status in Apple. What that means is essentially the app is ready to be reviewed, and the App Store review team will eventually get to it. It'll take any time between 1 hour and 2 days for this to happen. Generally, for me, with these updates, it takes between an hour to 10 hours, but your mileage will vary. And then eventually you're going to see whether you got approved or not. You'll get an email notification, and you can also check in the dashboard itself. It'll change to ready for distribution. Thanks for watching.